Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and another Walgreens haul. We are going to be using only our phone to save money on a ton of different products like paper products. We have deals on Charmin and Bounty this week. We also have deals on Pampers diapers. We're going to be grabbing them for $6.75 per bag. And all the deals I'm sharing with you, you can use rewards to pay. So Walgreens cash, register rewards to keep your out-of-pocket costs as low as possible. If you're someone who is struggling with learning how to coupon and you see amazing deals online, but your hauls aren't going like you're planning, you're getting a little frustrated and discouraged, and you're having trouble finding the deals on the products that you actually need and use, I do have another 3-day couponing workshop that I'm squeezing in for you guys. It's gonna be next week on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. It'll be live at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And yes, it will be recorded and the recordings will be emailed out to everybody who registers. So if you're not able to make it live, no worries. You'll still be able to get all of the amazing information and you can watch and rewatch the recordings whenever you want. So we're gonna be going over everything from beginner 101 information, coupons, where to find them, how to stack them, which ones you can stack, the whole 9 yards. Day 2 is more advanced couponing information, so going through the weekly ad, finding deals on products that you actually need. And day 3 is how you coupon like a pro. So that day, we're gonna be going over putting together an amazing breakdown yourself so you can have a smooth checkout process every single time and have no surprises at checkout. So if you wanna join, that'll be linked below for you in the description box, or can always go to my website, breecouponqueen.com/workshop. That way you can get registered for that. It'll send you a link with the Zoom link, and that way you can tune in live each and every day. If you guys have any questions as well, make sure you drop them in the comments below. And in the description box is gonna be the printable breakdown for the deals today. So I'm gonna be sharing with you guys deals in store and some deals you can do online for curbside pickup. So let's head inside and start saving. The first deal is going to be on these Vaseline Rosy Lips because these are the cheapest ones in store at $2.19. If you want to do the deal online, I recommend it for curbside pickup because there are some coupon codes that you can use like Treat 10 or Get 10. The creme brulee online is $2.19, but in store it's $2.79. So if you grab 2 of these, we have a $1.99 off 2 digital coupon. That's going to make your final cost $1.19 each, and this could be a really nice little stocking stuffer. The diaper deal this week is going to be on Pampers. Now this one you can do in store or online. If you do it in store, you're going to get back a register reward. If you do it online, you're going to get back Walgreens cash. So Pampers are 2 for $21. Buy 2, get a $4 register reward. Then check for the 3 off 2 digital coupon that works on the Swaddlers. I have a $3.50 off 1 digital coupon, so I'm going to use that one instead. That way it saves me an extra 50 cents. But using the 3 off 2 that everyone should have, you'll pay $18, get back a $4 register reward, makes your final cost $7 per bag. If you have the $3.50 off 1 digital coupon like I have, your final cost is going to be $6.75 per bag. And yes, you can pay with Walgreens cash or register rewards on this to lower your out-of-pocket cost. Another Pampers deal to go with the diapers is going to be the wipes. So these are 2 for $16 on sale. As you can see here, there is a $2 coupon. Anytime you see it like this, it is a store coupon they're talking about. So this is the 2 off 2 Walgreens store digital coupon that you want to clip. Then I also have a $3 off 1 manufacturer digital coupon. So they will stack and work together, saving me $5 on 2 packs. Makes your final cost 2 for $11 or $5.50 per pack. Another great deal you can do in store or online is on the Finish Quantum. It's $5.49 on sale this week. I have a $2 digital coupon. I clipped that a while ago, but you may have $1 or $1.50 off, so definitely double check your account. I'll pay $3.49, submit to Ibotta for $1.50 back. Makes your final cost $1.99, which I don't think is a bad deal for some dishwasher pods. We have a pretty good deal on Gain laundry products this week, and we're only using our phone. So this week, they are buy 2, get a $4 register reward in store. So you're gonna grab a large Gain Flings, clip the $2 off 1 digital coupon in the Walgreens app. Then for the second product, we're gonna grab a large Gain Liquid, also priced at $9.99, and there's a separate $2 off 1 digital coupon. So for both of these products, you're at $19.98. After the $4 in digital coupons, you'll pay $15.98, get back a $4 register reward, makes them $5.99 each. And again, you can pay with Walgreens cash, so you'll be able to use up to $10 on this deal alone, or you can pay with manufacturer or store register rewards as well. There are two different deals this week for oral care. So the first one is going to be on Crest and Oral-B. They're buy three, get a $5 register reward in store, and some of them are priced at just $3 each. So there's two different ways you can do this deal. You can grab one Oral-B at $3, clip the $1 off one digital coupon, then you're going to grab two of the Crest toothpaste for $3 and clip the 2 off 2 digital coupon. The other way you could do it is to grab one of these and use the $1 off one, and grab two of these and use the 2 off 2. Either way, it's going to be the same math and the same price point afterwards. So for all three of these, you will be at $9. Then we have, okay. Then we have $3 in digital coupons. You'll pay $6, but then you're going to get back a $5 register reward. It makes them 33 cents a piece, which is a really good stock-up price. The other deal this week is on Colgate. Now you can do both if you want, totally up to you, depends on whatever you need in your stockpile. So Colgate is buy two, get a $3 register reward in store, and select ones are on sale for $4.50 or $5.50 for the larger ones. So I would grab two of the $4.50, that'll bring you to $9. Use the 4 off 2 Colgate digital coupon if you haven't yet. If you've already used that one, we have a separate 3 off 2 digital coupon, so your final cost would just be $1 more. With the $4 coupon, you'll pay $5, get back a $3 register reward, makes them $1 a piece. Now, $1 or less for oral care, personally, I think is a good stock-up price. I don't need any toothpaste, though, in my stockpile, so I'm going to pass on both of these deals. One thing I do need in my stockpile is mouthwash. So here's another way that you could do the Crest and Oral-B deal. You can grab one of these for $4, clip the $1 off one digital coupon. Then I'm going to grab two of the Oral-B at $3 each and use the 2 off 2 digital coupon. So that'll leave me to pay $7 for these three, get back a $5 register reward, makes it $2 for 3 of them, which I think is a good deal, so I think I'm actually going to grab these. So last week, if you watched my Walgreens haul, I did the Halloween candy deal, and instead of a regular $5 register reward, it printed me this one for $5 off any take-home candy. Now, I have no idea what a take-home candy means, but based on the photo, it looks like these are all like fun size and share size. So I might try it on these Haribo rainbow worms. Riley loves gummies, as do I, of course. So if it does work on these, that would make my final cost just $1 a piece. I think that's a good deal, so I'll let you guys know at checkout how it goes. We have a pretty good paper product deal this week on Charmin and Bounty. So they are buy 4, get a $5 register reward, and they're on sale for $5.49. So I would grab 2 of the Charmin. We have a $1 off 1 digital coupon for one of them, and we have a 50-cent off 1 digital for the second product. Then you're going to grab 2 of the Bounty Essentials down here. They're also $5.49. We have a $1 off 1 digital, and then we have a 50-cent off 1 digital coupon, so clip them both. So these are the 4 products that you're going to grab. Total is $21.96. You have $3 in digital coupons. You would pay $18.96. Get back a $5 register reward. Makes them $3.49 a piece. And yes, you can pay with Walgreens cash or register rewards to lower your cost on this deal. We have a great hair care deal on Tresemme this week. So they are buy 2, get a $5 register reward in store, and they're $6 each. So grab 2, that'll bring you to $12. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. You'll pay $8 out of pocket, get back a $5 register reward, makes your final cost $3 for 2 or just $1.50 per bottle. We have a deal on Dove hair care as well, but it's cheaper at CVS. So if you haven't checked out my CVS haul that I posted yesterday on my channel, definitely do so. It's an all digital deal over there as well. At Walgreens, you're not getting back any rewards. They're just 2 for $8. You would use a 4 off 2 digital coupon. Your final cost would be $2 per bottle. We also have an okay deal on Garnier Fructis and Garnier Whole Blends. They are 2 for $8 for both, and they are spend 10, get a $3 register reward. So grab 2 of these and use the 3 off 2 digital coupon. and grab 2 of these and use the 3 off 2 digital coupon. So total for all 4 products is going to be $16. You have $6 in digital coupons. So you'd pay $10, get back a $3 register reward, makes it $7 for 4 bottles or $1.75 a piece. Okay, we're back in from Walgreens. Everything went great at checkout, so let me share with you guys everything that I did. The only issue was when she gave me my Walgreens curbside order, I think she was just kind of moving too fast. She did it on that little app, little handheld thing that they had, so then it didn't print the receipt, so then she couldn't print the receipt, so the manager had to come out, refund everything, redo everything, price modify it to what it would have been if I had replaced the order online. So it was kind of like a whole thing for like a couple minutes, but I needed the paper receipt because I needed to submit to Ibotta. So let me share with you guys, how do I lose receipts so fast? Like, it's honestly crazy. Oh, there it is. Nope, that's not it. Hold on. There it is. Okay, so the deal's online. I mean, there's no point in really showing you guys the receipt because it's all price modified and it's all crazy, but I wound up doing the Finish Quantum online because there's 2 different codes that you can use online. They do not stack, but make sure that you check which code gives you the biggest discount. So there's a code TREAT10, which gives you 10% off. There's also a code working GET10. Now GET10 gave me more off. It saved me like 59 cents. TREAT10 was only going to save me 24 cents. So obviously I used the better coupon code. So make sure you're checking both, see which one works best for you. And then I had the $1.50 from Ibotta on this one. So I wound up paying $1.99. I thought that was a really good deal. I also did the Pampers online. When you're doing the curbside pickup order, it has to be $10 after coupons. So that's why I added this. Otherwise it wouldn't have let me do the Finish and stuff like that. So I added 2 of those. We have more baby showers coming up, so I'm always trying to stock up on some baby products when I can. And then I wound up grabbing the 2 of these online. I'm really excited to try it. I was asking the cashier. She said it's great, but it doesn't really give you like the tint that it kind of looks like and says that it does. So I'll let you guys know, but I definitely want to try that. So excited about that one. So what I paid out of pocket was, I used $10 in rewards. I paid $5.50 out of pocket. Then I submitted to Ibotta for $1.50 back. So all of that only cost me $4 out of my bank account. That's it, which I'm super excited about. Then for the in-store deals, and I finally got a spend 40, get $9 in Walgreens cash to print. It printed after my last transaction, but that's okay. I'm gonna try to use it next week. So I grabbed the Haribo gummies, I grabbed the Oral-B and the Gain deal. So that $5 off any take-home candy, I don't know if it'll work on just anything because it's ringing up here as just like a regular store register reward. So let me know in the comments what you guys are using that for. But it did work just fine on the 2 different Haribo that I grabbed that were 2 for $7. Here's a manufacturer register reward that I used from last week or the week before. And here's the digital coupons that came off. I rolled $20 in Walgreens cash, paid just $1.61 out of pocket, and I did earn back both register rewards. Everything was printing fine. So I got back $9 in register rewards for the Oral-B and the Gain deal. Then I did the Pampers deal in a separate transaction. So I grabbed 2 of the Swaddlers. I grabbed a newborn in a size 1. Here's a manufacturer register reward from the first transaction that printed. This is from the Crest and Oral-B deal. I went ahead and rolled it right away. Here's the $3.50 digital coupon that I had, rolled $10 in Walgreens cash, paid $2.50 out of pocket. And then I did get back the $4 register reward for buying the 2 Pampers. So my cash cost, how much it came out of my bank account that I'm gonna be writing in my budget, is only $8.11, and that includes taxes for $83.85 worth of products. I would say that is definitely a successful couponing haul. So those are the types of strategies that I'm gonna be teaching you in that 3-day couponing workshop. We're gonna be unlocking $100 in savings in just 3 days. And Christmas is 10 weeks away. So you'll be able to start couponing and saving money. So you'll be able to cover the cost of travel if you're going anywhere for the holidays. If you're hosting the holiday meal, which is pretty expensive, gifts, you name it, you'll be able to cover that with the savings that you're gonna get from learning how to coupon like a pro. So again, that'll be below for you in the description box. If you're interested, I'd absolutely love to have you. If you have any questions, let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time.